So of course I've left the tripod in the van from yesterday's multi-test event with the emergency radio. So we've got this York 861. I've propped the camera up on a printer behind me. Let's hope it stays put. And just done the service, routine service. I've gone through for dry joints as well. Radio's now doing a full 4-watt output, and we've been able to bring the receiver up a bit. So let's see whether Mr. Chippie is there. We're going to use a standard. This is the factory original mic, which says Rotel on it. It's not come with the set, but it's exactly the same sound and insert and everything. This is a genuine mic, and my normal standard replacement mic, I think I put it in a box with one of Mr. Trucking and Farming's. So no idea where that is at present without going through his stuff, which we're not going to do till Tuesday. So here we go. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 go.
Roger. Well, I'm just ready.
Roger that. Off we go then.
Roger Dodger. This extension speaker plugged in.
Alright, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. On this radio we've got to tone control.
Right. So we're heading the lane towards the end of
Base here.
No. Place. Doggy get killed.
This is mine. Hello. Roger on that. That's fine.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, and it's closed.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, it's Sunday though. Passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a York
JCB861 from 1981. Doing a full 4-watt output. I'm on a factory original mic.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
I'm getting foreign interference. I'll go and look for another channel.
Roger, I'm just avoiding the geese.
Tango 21, can you go to 29?
29, see there.
21?
Yep, Tango 21, received loud and clear.
Yes, it's a duck arrived. It's a goosey gander waiting on one foot. Not across the road, it's Scratchy Corner.
No, well, there's clearly remains of one in the middle of the road, which is a shame. You know, I wish people would slow down a bit.
Absolutely.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Looks like you're at the Kelby turn.
We're now passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got to do the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 for Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point on the York 81. Doing 4 watts, going 1.1 amps. Gonna go to low pass in set 400 milliwatts. Here we go, 54321. And now we are back on 4 watts over.
Yeah, Roger, no problems on full power. Low power, you were had to override the squelch, and of course you were very noisy and quite hard to hear.
Roger on that, off you go when you're ready.
Roger.
I'm on a York.
Right, we're now on the move again.
Roger on that. Mark camcorder at this end. Focus yourself on the 2 switches on this radio and one of the knobs, and it's coming up with a facial recognition warning. I'm glad I'm not involved with AI.
Yeah, well, you can see smiley faces in some things, can't you? Cars being one of them, etc. Rossby level crossing. Over.
Please over.
Yeah, 159.9, 189.7.
Roger, that was 3, thank you very much, and 10.
Roger that, 10-10.
One from Mr. Chippie, 1 hour an hour, Rossby level crossing, over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price for me today? At that end, please, over.
Yeah, 159.9, 189.7.
Roger, that works a treat. Thank you very much, and 10-10.
Roger that, 10-10.
There you go. Can't ask for more than that. Go over to our base station, which uses the enhanced version of exactly the same chassis, and we'll see what it sounds like on that factory original mic.
Tango 21, testing this your JCB861 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, power 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll pop it on low power for home test. There we are on low power, 400 milliwatts back to full power. There we are back on full power. Tomorrow we have for the same customer a Thunderpole T2000. Thanks for watching your Gate 61, a radio from 1981.